Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add reviews on your Squarespace website. In order to do so, open the Squarespace website on your browser. Now log into it. Now click on Reviews. Now go to Testimonial Reviews. Now once you're in the testimonial section, you can actually select the themes and alignment in which you would like your client's testimonial to appear in. And now from here, you can actually edit the testimonials by selecting on the name. You can even change your client's pictures here and all the details that you want. Enter their designation as well. Now there is a little catch here. If you want to add testimonials, you would have to buy a premium plan. Or some sort of basic plan could work too. Now I'm going to go ahead and position these testimonials on my website. And that would be it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.